Hello everybody. If this is your first time using ActivelyLearn and you don't know how to use it, don't worry. Just go to the email, click on the link, then click on create free student account. I've already had an account, but if you don't, the platform is going to ask you for the code, the access code. But if you had already, so just click on classes and paste, copy and paste the code. So copy and paste. Okay, and click on join. Well, in my case, I have already joined, but anyways, you will see, as long as you click on join, you will see the assignment for the course, which is this one. As long as you click there, you will see a video about context clues. So please watch the video. Basically, the video is about how to guess the meaning of a word by different clues, different tips. You will see the tips also here. Synonyms, antonyms, examples, and like common sense or context, general sense of the sentence. Then you can start working the exercise. So in this case, you're going to read the excerpt from the reading, and you're going, if you want, you can hear it. If you want, you can also check the meaning of a word. So define the word. Story that is told or written, and you can also hear how it's pronounced. And if you click on the word, if you click on define, not having or showing an unfair tendency to believe that some people, ideas, etc. are better than others. So not biased. But the thing is that you have to find the meaning of a word in the context. So that's why we have different meanings here. I already answered this one. But anyways, the thing is that you're going to keep reading and have a look at the next excerpt. Focus on this word and try to get the synonym, the closest meaning of that word, and so on. Keep doing it, and this is what you have to do. If you have any question, please send me an email. Okay? Thank you. Bye.